Hello everyone, Maximilian here, coming up with the next package to get unboxed. As you can see, this time we are unboxing this 4kg package from Hoobuy. It's not a big package, but but we still have a lot of nice items to unbox, so let's get started. Let's just unbox this 4.5kg package from Hoobuy. By the way guys, if you're looking for a lot of links with high quality products, check out this Panda Buy Finds group on Telegram. You have the link down in the description as well as in the pinned comment section. This group has 630,000 users. There's loads of different links with high quality products, as you can see. I paid for this thing roughly like $80 for shipping, so it wasn't that expensive. And yeah, let's just take a look at this. Let's see what's inside. And as you can see, the package itself is quite well packed. There are no defects or anything. The box is just in pretty good shape. And this is guys how it all looks like. It's winter time, so I decided to get myself some nice two Timberlands. I don't know which color to get, so I got myself the black ones and the new buckwheat ones. Let's just start with the first one. Quite a big size box as for Timberlands, of course. And this one is the black color of Timberlands. These ones are in a size 8.5 US, 26.5 centimeters. So let's just see how the shoes look like. And yeah, as you can see, they do come with the paper like that, just like any other Timberlands. And you do get such signatures here on the box in both English and French. So yeah, it's quite nice. So let's just see how the shoes look like. And here we have them, the beautiful Timberlands in the black color. So let's just take a look at the shoes. Let's see how they all look like and perform. And let's also take this one out. Yeah, the box is quite nice as well. Very nice. Let's take a look at the shoes. So the shoes itself are made from the leather, the black leather. This is a real leather, not like a fake gum or anything. As you can see, it does change the way it looks once you just swipe your finger through it. It's more of a suede type of a leather. Very nice. It does have some of a wax-like color, which is quite nice and prestigious. And yeah, you do get such a label, as you can see, that says granted waterproof Timberland. And yeah, the shoes look just amazing. Inside here, they actually do come here with some labels, as you can tell, Timberland labels and stuff. So very nice shoes. You do get yourself the laces, the shoelaces here, which are made from a real cotton. And I've got to tell you that these shoes are very well made. The sole, the resin sole, is also very nice. As you can see, this is how it all looks like. And actually, let's wear them now. Let's see how they fit. Okay guys, and this is how the Tims look on me. Honestly, they're super comfortable. The sole is nice, and for this price you can never go wrong. I mean, the shoes look just amazing, and as for the price, they're just super nice. Honestly, one of the best shoes. Get them. And again, next up here we have also another pair of Timberlands. This one in the different wheat color, the very popular one. I think this color is more popular than the black ones, although the black ones are very nice too. As you can see, this one is the 6-inch premium Timberland in a wheat nabak color in the size 8.5 US, 26.5 centimeters. Let's see how they look like in person. So the same story here. As you can see, they do come with the paper. And yeah, let's just take a look at the shoes. And as you can see, this is how they all look like. We've got the granted waterproof from Timberlands, and this one is also made from a very nice and beautiful looking leather, the suede leather. I like how they all look like. They're so nice, quite thick, very nice boots. I like them a lot. You do get a different looking laces, shoelaces in a different color, of course, compared to the black ones. And yeah, the shoes do look fine. As you can see, they do come with the resin sole. So yeah, the insoles look just fine, and the shoes are absolutely amazing. So that's it. Let's also see the other pair, if this one is also nice. And yeah, as you can see, the different pair is also quite well looking. You've got this Timberlands logo here, and the quality is just very nice. Insides of the shoes, this is how they all look like. So here we have it guys, the Timberlands. Now let's also see what's left in the package. So the very last item here, we have the Nike hoodie. I used to purchase them a lot in the past, so yeah. Let me show you real quick how this gray one looks like, and it's so nice, so thick. It's always been. Let's see if something changed. And as you can see, it's the same type of material once again here on the Nike hoodies. You also get yourself the labels like this, the labels, very nice labels, and the materials here are just amazing. Look at the cotton here inside. The cotton here is so thick and soft in touch that yeah, it's just on a different level, honestly. In a normal store, you can't get such an amazing type of a hoodie. Let's wear it now. Let's see how it all. Let's wear it now. Let's just see how it all fits. So guys, this is how the hoodie looks on me. As you can tell, it's very nice looking, very thick. I love the grayish color. It's so nice looking. I love it. And yeah, this one is only like $18, $17, something like this. So definitely worth it, guys. Check out the links for such amazing shoes and Timberlands, of course. Be sure to check out the links in the description and see you in the next one. Bye.